Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I am going to discuss the critical analysis of The Way of the World by Rehman Baba. I have already discussed the introduction of Rehman Baba in previous video. I have provided you link. You can watch the introduction from that video. Light is haram for those hearts on whom the dust of the world has settled. These are the lines from the poems. This poem of Rehman Baba is very long poem. It has 42 couplets and 84 misras. This world is repeated many times in this poem. He is generally talking about this world. Heart is metaphorized with mirror. He says if we will not clean mirror for 1 to 2 days, then it will get dirty and we will be unable to see clearly ourselves in it. Similarly, heart is like a mirror. Light will not reach to his heart if it will have dust on it. As mirror must be clean in order to reflect to see yourself. Then he talks about bazaar. In this world, if you buy or sell something, you will only get sorrow. Because in this world, person cannot be happy. This world is not bed of roses. It is full of thorns. You cannot buy happiness in it. If you will buy something, you will only get sorrow, and if you will sell something, it will only be sorrow instead of happiness. There is nothing else in the bazaar of this world except sorrow. Then he says, wine does not have that much intoxication as the drinker of this world has. जो जिसे इस दुनिया का यहाँ पे रहने का जो आदी हो जाता है तो वो दुनिया का ही होकर रह जाता है। तो वो कहता है कि वाइन जो है इट हैव नॉट मच इंटॉक्सिकेशन एज द ड्रिंकर ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड हैज़. So person forgets next world or day of judgment and lost in this world. So as Rehman Baba, he was a mystic poet and he has one purpose and perspective to teach people the way to Allah, and which is to stop them from corrupt immortal ethics. And basically his poems have themes of oneness of God and mysticism. Hope so you understand this poem. Allah Hafiz.